These stocks were trending at some point: SLE, CIFR, FT, FTEL, and POET. They were trending at some point. They may still be trending. So let's quickly see what's going on with what happened to SLE. The gaming media company was trending following a definitive agreement for a private placement, anchored by a $10 million strategic equity investment from Evo Fund, a digital asset treasury investor. This move or that move or the move aimed to provide the company with up to $20 million in gross proceeds. Okay, for CIFR, the stock was trending due to its ongoing strategic expansion from pure Bitcoin mining into high performance computing and artificial intelligence data center sector. Okay, FTEL, it was trending after announcing a strategic shift toward a Solana-based digital asset treasury and a planned name change to Solana Australia Corporation. The move aligns with other digital asset treasury companies that accumulate crypto assets. POET was trending following a partnership with NTT Innovative Devices to develop optical engines for AI driven mobile networks. Okay, let's begin with SLE. SLE up 156%. We're counting down. Okay, market has just closed. Intraday high in this session, 130, so $13.97. Okay, extrapolation is saying that this trend will remain in place up till Thursday, the 2nd of October. From then on, we may see a contraction. Price pressure momentum. Let's see what we have. Sorry, upper projections. We don't have anything currently. It's a downward projection, 3.61. What did we have here? Interpret. Okay, 13.97. Yeah, it's the significant premium to the current levels. Yeah, okay. At some point in July, that projection was actually indicated. Something close to that projection was indicated, and it came close to doing so. Yeah, even beyond, even more greater than that, beyond that, 21.33 as of late May, and then 19.07, 15.4. Okay, so price pressure momentum, yeah, strongly bullish. However, there are for the 10 and 21 day moving averages, they're strongly bullish. However, their second derivatives are negative, indicating that yeah, people were, shorting the stock, selling, taking profits, and it got this rejection here. So it has affected what's going on the stock. But regardless, the positions opened 40, up to 41 days, 21 days ago are still very much in profit. Yeah. Okay, the next is what's the next? The next is CIFR. Okay, up a modest 1.72%. Intraday high in this session 1.55. I think he may have given up all the gains. Was it actually this? Was it today? It was actually rallying, or was it yesterday? CIFR. Yeah. Okay. Strength is expected to remain in place up till rather the peak of the strength will be by Monday, the 6th of October. Then it may begin to decline from that day and contract the expansion. This expansion began um, on the 13th of August. Projections say is saying 10.71. It's a down projection, and we have 15.5. So that's also an upper projection. Okay, let's see what we have. The moving averages, their price pressure momentums are robustly trending, and the derivatives are equally positive. But it does not mean that they haven't lost some of their value. Because people surely will be short on the stock and taking profits and all of that. Yeah, we have this rejection of 15.5, so it's a price that it has to retest again. I mean, it's a target for it to retest, retest and exceed. Let's see, CIFR extrapolation is saying, yeah, higher prices will remain in place up till Friday, the 3rd of October. Okay, let's see what's going on with the next is FTEL. FTEL, I think something happened. Did they do a split? Maybe they did a reverse split or something. Intraday high, do we have anything at $19? Or am I looking at it's not what's going on, $19? It looks like a reverse split. Yeah. Yeah, $19. Let's see what we have. Um, FTEL. Okay, we still have the same. Well, in any case, projection is saying that it's going to still remain strong up till Tuesday, the 30th of September, and then after that, we may get a contraction. Underlying trend is bearish. Okay, it doesn't have any upper projection. We can rely on this 19.9, $19, but there might be prices in between. Let's see. Price pressure momentum must be seriously bullish. Wow, surprisingly, there's a negative derivative here. Well, obviously, given the huge spikes, people will be shorting the stock and all that. So we could find. Let's have a look at the 1 minute chart. We may have projections in between. Let's see what we have here. We have 8.52, 8.79, 8.96, yeah, and a host of other projections. 9.06, 9.28, yeah, to fill up the gap between here and the current price of 8.4 and $19. Okay, let's see what we have for POET. POET up 16.28%, intraday high $6.2. Okay, it's expected to remain strong up till Monday the 29th. It's expected to, yeah, Monday the 29th, and then after that we may have a contraction of this expansion. But it doesn't seem to be, well, yeah, that's what it's saying, regardless of how long the expansion has been in place. Two trading sessions now, yesterday and today. Yeah. Okay, projections 4.75, 4.75, 4.58, 5.03. We have 66.20 intraday high, not that far from where it is right now. Previous projections went as high as 6.76. Okay, just a modest premium to the current level, the current price. Okay, price pressure. The 10 and 21 day moving averages are still trending. However, the 10-day moving average has negative derivatives indicating that yeah, a lot of selling pressure has also been going on in the midst of the strength that the stock has shown of late. Okay, yeah. Here, so upper projection here is $6.2. Has it done? Has it printed any 6.67? Let's see whether we have anything on its weekly chart. Yeah, 6.92. Yeah, that's okay. 6.92. We have 7.39, 8.88, 9.79. This was in August of 2023. But let's see. You may have more recent projections. Let's look at the 1 week chart, one daily chart rather. We have 6.06. Nothing strong there. 3 minute chart. Let's see what we have. 6.19, 5.93, 6.21, 6.42, 5.42. Okay, well, it seems it's not really not that volatile, but yeah, may not be that volatile. Yeah. Okay, so just see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.